What's up everyone? Welcome to another iPhone tip, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change the charging chime and create something completely custom to say pretty much anything you want.
Charging.
So the first thing we need to do is open up the Shortcuts application. You then want to tap the Automation tab right here. We're going to tab Create Personal Automation, and we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. We'll tap charger here, and you have two options, connected or disconnected. We're going to use the connected option so that when we connect our phone to the charger, it's now going to use the sound that we choose. We'll tap next. We're going to tap add action. And in the search box here, we're just going to type in SPEAK, and you should see speak text right here. We're going to tap to add that, and now we can just tap in the text icon box here, right where it says text, and we're going to type in whatever we want. So let's say we wanted it to say charging. We can enter that in. We'll then tap show more. You can change these settings if you want. You can have it so that Siri is a different voice, whatever you want. We'll just leave it as is and tap next. This is very important. We need to turn off the ask before running because we want it to automatically chime the sound we created as soon as we plug it in. Tap done. We'll lock the screen here just to give you a quick test. We'll plug our phone to the charger.
Charging.
And now Siri says charging to let us know it's charging. And it'll work with all the other automations as well as anything you want it to say in that text to speak option.